Hello fellow Earth beings, I have another mask to unbox, or unbag and then unbox today, which came very fast. It was supposed to come on Tuesday, but it's here now, so I'm going to open it up. Yep, that is the gas mask. As you can see, I have the two filters for it. Oh, four. I don't know. Enough. And the already open box that was slightly open, but it comes in the proper box and everything. And inside the box, I have the mask all wrapped up and safe. And I knew it looked cool, or in my opinion, I thought it looked cool, but it looks even more cool in person. Yes, amazing recording. So yeah. All sealed up nicely. Looks kind of futuristic, sort of. So I'm gonna take it out of the protective bag. Oh, also comes with the manual for it. Seems quite small for a mask, really, but it's like a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, I've heard. So I'll get up. So here I have the mask in all its glory, and it just looks really cool and sturdy with this kind of futuristic design. I suppose I should put it on before I put the filters on, but yeah, that's a very nice little nasal cup. See if it fits. Oh yeah, that fits really well. It's really comfortable. Yeah, it's a complicated filter system, but it does, if I talk like this it comes out clearer. Yeah, it does pressurize, of course. Yeah, it's a very comfortable mask and a very good field of view. I'll put the filters on it now. Here's my very sophisticated workstation, my desk, so I'll work from here. I'm glad they actually came with filters, so they don't look been good if they didn't. Oh, they're quite big things, aren't they? The bayonets, I didn't think they'd be this big. They're good quality as well, because yeah, all sealed up and everything. How they need to be. Filter 1. And filter 2. And a manual about the filters. So yeah, let's see what they're rated for. This symbol, whatever this one means. I'm sure it will say in the manual. But seems to have a like particulate layer on top, which it says to slide. But I think that means onto the gas mask, so I'm going to put them on. So I have the mask now to try and attach these filters. I don't know if there's a specific side they need to be on. I think it's the same. It doesn't say or indicate, but bayonet style insert. And they just slide on. The big one on the top. Maybe I'm doing it upside down. Right. Big one on the top. Oh yeah, that was the right one. That went straight on. And you'll feel it click when it's on. So that's one side. Well, this actually looks a lot cooler than I even expected. Oh yeah, see? They clip on really easy if you get the right ones for the right size. And then they both sit nice and flat with the mask, so you don't really donk them on anything in front of you. Very easy and sturdy to put on. No rattling or anything. Very nice. So this is the mask. Oh, the voice diaphragm works a lot better now. Yeah, these are the filters on the mask. Nice and flat, sort of, if that makes sense. Yeah, it looks very cool. Cooler than I expected. And again, very if I tighten the straps a bit, it'll sit better and won't wobble. But yeah, I think these are the particulate filters or the covers for what's inside these, but I'm not sure. I'll look into that in more depth. But yeah, this is the exhale valve down here, I think. Yeah, it is. If I try and blow out on it, the mask expands. So yeah, it's a bit loose around my chin at the moment, so I'll fix that when I do it again. But yeah, nice. Voice diaphragm, good strap system, a nice face seal and field of view. I can see everything from bit my hands here to here and up here. So very good field of view, very good breathing resistance. Like it's pretty much breathing normal. No fogging at all, of course, because of the good oral nasal coverage. It's very, very comfortable. So and it was good for the price. So yeah, it's a good mask.